Hello guys, welcome to Technomills. This video is about how to hide the borders of a table in Microsoft Word. In order to do that, we have to select the table. And worth mentioning thing is this option affects on the selected rows, columns and cells. So we can use this option to hide a specific part of a table. After selecting the table, click Home menu, in which under Paragraph section, click Borders. Now, a new dialog box appears in which we can see a number of options. Each option denotes a specific border of a table. Through this option, we can hide or unhide a border of a table, in which the first one is bottom border. By clicking this, we can hide or unhide the bottom border of the selected table. And next, top border, left border and right border work similar to the bottom border. And the next one is no border. This hides the border of the whole table. Similar to this is all border, but it gives priority to unhide the border of the table. Why I am saying this? Because no border hides the border of the table, while all border unhides the border. But clicking the option again, it works in an opposite manner. Next one is outside border, which hides or unhides the outside border of the table. Next one is inside border, and it hides and unhides the inside border of the table. Next two options are inside horizontal border, inside vertical borders. These options hides the inner horizontal and vertical border of the table. Next options are diagonal down and diagonal up borders. Both are nearly same. These help us to create a diagonal line inside the cells. As already mentioned, in this we can apply these options to a specific part of a table by selecting the specific part of a table. And now we are at the end of the video. If any doubt or suggestion arise, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.